Verduras and escabeche. Pickled vegetables. A side dish from Guatemala. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Fry the chili peppers in the oil for 2 minutes to soften the skins. Step 2. Remove the chilies, slice them open vertically, and remove seeds and fibers. Set aside. Step 3. Blanch the carrots, cauliflower, onion and garlic separately in boiling water for 2 minutes. Drain well and mix them all together. Put them into a glass jar or. Step 4. Stone crock. Step 5. Mix the thyme, oregano, bay leaves, salt, and sugar in the vinegar. Pour this over the vegetables and mix well. Allow the escabeche to marinate for 1 day or more before using. The pickle can be refrigerated or stored at room temperature in a cool place.